Hello everyone, my name is Uguli Miriam. You are welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm super excited to have you all here. This channel is dedicated to training and grooming graphic designers to be good at what they do, no matter your current level. Probably you're a complete beginner, a novice or an amateur, or somewhere in between. You are absolutely in the right place. This channel is open to all and sundry. As long as you are part of this community, you will keep growing and upholding your skill. So I encourage you to stay connected and active as we grow and build this amazing community together. If you'd like to stay updated and get access to more tutorials, simply click on the link below to join our Telegram group. And of course, do not forget to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so as to stay updated. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate your presence.